out when everybody's at the store yesterday panicking, buying water, stocking up on goods, and buying generators because it was supposed to snow today. This is all I got. Some hot chocolate. Can't go wrong with that. That's really good. A little bit of breakfast to go with the snow day. Wow, those are good. Today we woke up to some snow, which was already projected. We just didn't think it would be this thick. When we looked outside, it was pretty thick for Georgia. Georgia, if it gets any snow, it's usually light and lasts not even a day. But they didn't shut down schools and a lot of jobs. So we're gonna enjoy this snow day. Baby Dash's first time in the snow. You ready for outside? Just need one more jacket. Need one more jacket? Come on, let's go get your other jacket. Come on. You ready for the snow? Yeah. Ready for the snow?
You like it?
Enjoy the snow? Yeah. can see, it's not that light. It's a lot thicker than it usually is. So we figure we come out here and enjoy it while we can.
But
We ain't gonna be out here too long.
No, we're not. It is pretty though. So,
It is.
for Georgia, you never seen no snow like this.
So this is New York right here.
This is Canada weather. Like, this is ridiculous.
New York and came with Georgia. Beautiful though. We enjoyed our 5 minutes of snow. We're about to go back in the house. So we get sick. All right, y'all. So we are snowed in, and now is the time to be creative. They call me the Da Vinci of innovation. They don't call me that, but we are about to get creative. All right, y'all. So we are snowed in, trying to come up with different ideas to stay entertained. Definitely enjoying each other's company. And I figured I'd come up with something for Baby Dash to just be entertained and enjoy herself for a second. Literally just thought about this and figured I'd give it a try. Time to have some fun.
All right, sir, this is going to be a bumpy ride. You need you to put your seatbelt on. Make sure it's securely fastened. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah? Yeah? All right, let's go. Oh!
Hands up.
Ride is done. Did you enjoy your ride?
yeah.
Oop. Do it again. Do it again. Go do it again. Run, little Forrest. Run, little Forrest. Come on. Come on. Quick, run, Forrest, run. I'm good. Mwah.
Yo.
Yeah. Okay, break dancing, break dancing, break dancing.
Go, Dash. Go, go, go. Go, Dash.
Okay,
Go, Dash.
okay.
Go, go.
Okay.
As always, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.